Hey, good evening, everyone. Here is a pre-market wrap for 23rd June. Okay, so let's go by step. First one is fundamental macro insights. The In fundamental macro insights, uh, uh, on 23rd of June, there is a existing home sales for May month is going to released. That This is a key economic data points to watch on 23rd. In the US, existing home sales for the month of May scheduled to be released later in the day. This figure is critical as it reflects consumer sentiments and the strength of the housing market. Okay, a key pillar of an US economic health. A beat would strengthen the dollar and fuel expectation of a hawkish Fed, and while miss reinforces slowdown concerns. This is about the fundamental macro insights. Second one is the global geopolitical news. I think everyone would have known this. USA attacked Iran and all its nuclear facilities. In a major overnight development, the United States launched military strike targeting Iran's nuclear facility. This move is expected to fuel geopolitical tension in the Middle East and may trigger a risk of sentiment across the global market. Except expect volatility in crude oil or any safe haven assets and defensive sectors. Moving towards the bond market snapshot, US 10-year bond yield is at 4.38, remain elevated, reflecting persistent inflation and the rate hike risk. Indian 10-year bond yield stands at 6.36, signaling relative stability in local debt market. Moving on, these currency and dollar index. The dollar index is trading at 98.7, showing some strength, likely in response to safe haven demands after this Iran and Israel or Iran, Israel and US conflicts. Okay. Um, INR is middling up on 0.15%. Currently is at 86.5 against the dollar. Keep an eye on any sudden inflows or outflows due to global risk reallocation. Commodities. Because of these Iran, Israel, and US conflicts, the global and the major escalation between USA and Iran, the crude oil has spiked sharply by 7.5%, now trading at $74 per barrel, driven by supply fears around this Iran conflict. This can have an inflationary implication globally and could weigh on the Indian macros if sustained. Because of these macro fundamental factors, geopolitical news, Gift Nifty is currently showing 107 point down, but it hasn't factored the US Iran conflict. So we might expect there will be a negative opening tomorrow morning. So trade cautiously and keep uh, eye on this global geopolitical news for further escalations. Thank you.